And you may be wondering, what? It's purple. But you know, purple is a dark color, and so it doesn't really come up purple in the brow. But somehow it kind of brings it all together. Okay, I feel like that's good. The thing that is really hurting this look is that pink lip. It's got to go. And I do not have a Neutrogena wipe handy. I'm trying to think of what I could actually use. Here's the deal. Let's see. Let me just see if I have a lotion, a spray, or what do I have over here? That is sanitizer. You sure don't want to put that on your lips. That's makeup. I'm looking, y'all. I'm looking. Sure does smell good in here right now. And I'm going to show you why in just a minute. Let me see if the Fix Plus will work because it's wet. It's just like water with a little bit of sticking power. So let's see if I can get this to come off. Or if it does the opposite. Yeah. It's so pink, y'all. It's very hard to get off. This is the beauty of this lipstick. Do you see the point of why I love it? It's hard to get off. Now, if I had a Neutrogena makeup remover, it wouldn't be hard at all. Okay, I think that got rid of the pinkiness. What do y'all think? And I'm just using one of my makeup towels. Okay, I think that did. Everything needs to go down the hall to the wash, y'all. There we go. Alright, so one of the main things that we need to do is blend. Blendy, blendy, blend. So, those are concealer brushes. Where are my blending brushes, y'all? There's one. Okay, so I'm getting a blending brush, which is just a dome-shaped blending brush, really. And I want to blend this out real good. So I'm just going to get it out away from the nose, right there. And then on the edges, real good. I kind of backspin it, if you noticed. Just, and then slightly through where the crease, the transition meets the brow. You do not want to overblend these colors. You worked too hard to get them. And if you overblend them, they'll just all be the same color, which usually turns into a mud brown, which if that's what you're looking for, that's fine. Mud brown's not a bad color. Okay, also I'm going to adjust my blush a little. It's a little too pink as well, and so I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me in color number 15. It's called New New. And that is a good color for toning this all down a little bit. Get that pink off. Got a little pink in there too. Let's get a little more of a understated color here. I'm just using whatever's left over. It's a little too bright there too. Okay. There. Love this stuff. This is the best, the closest match I've ever come to my Rose Bronze from Chanel. So if y'all like the Rose Blonde, I'll just show you the two of them together. And then we can look at them online. I don't, it's almost out, but can you see the color on that? How close they are? They're almost identical. Drugstore, high end. So, again, that's Fit Me number 15. Nude. Nude, nude. And use, I think it was just nude. So there's that one. I like having that handy. And you can see it just kind of toned things down. And if you still feel like after you tone things down it's just too much makeup, the best thing to do is just take a brush that has nothing on it and just start inward and push out. Just push it out. And that kind of tones all that color down. See how that helped? And do underneath here too. There you go. There we go. I feel like I got a little something dark on my nose somehow. It may have been some of that fallout, y'all. So anyway, that's one way to just tone it down. Or just use your powder. You could use your powder. Okay. So I also like to take the meaty part of my hand and kind of go right past, right here. And so that if there's anything there, it kind of catches it and takes it off. And also I need to get that off my hand where I tested that color. Okay? So that is the eyes. And one of the best things you can do to really make the color you put on stand out is to use liner. And so, let's see if I got a liquid liner handy.